What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day. Today we're talking about Shiba Inu in today's video, guys, and we have a lot of different pieces of news that I want to go over and discuss. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into it. Let's start with Satoshi, the big man himself. As you can see, he said noted, and this is a response to Metro tweeting out, "Fancy an NFT with your Happy Meal question mark? McDonald's is making its way into the metaverse by registering for 10 trademarks in the virtual space." Yes, really, this is real. So apparently we are seeing McDonald's try to make a move into either the metaverse space, the crypto space, or just the overall digital currency space in general. Now, we know that Satoshi and most of all the overall Shiba Inu army has talked about a McDonald's partnership for quite some time. And Satoshi, with the recent Welly Friends partnership thing, that kind of burger stand in Italy that a lot of people were not very excited about or happy that that went through, that was something that was kind of a point of contention. A lot of people wanted the McDonald's partnership, they wanted the Wendy's partnership, they wanted anything but the Welly's partnership, it seemed, that was actually announced. Now it seems that McDonald's is starting to posture in a way that would otherwise allude to them likely trying to push towards cryptocurrency being maybe part of their overall ecosystem. And it seems Satoshi here is saying noted, as in maybe we should look deeper into this. So could this be a signal that Shiba Inu is going to try and maybe work some kind of partnership out with McDonald's? Again, it's kind of a little bit too early to tell, but I do think that this is something that we could be looking into further, and I'm very excited to see how this plays out either way, guys. And of course, make sure you hit that sub button so you guys don't miss when they do that partnership, if they do it soon. If you guys haven't already, I want to recommend you join our private Discord with the second link down in the description below. Here's some of the benefits that you guys get when you join up. You get one-on-one interactions with us in the Discord and the Patreon with you guys. We also do our daily crypto alerts, which are our buy alerts when we are buying. It includes first looks at new cryptos that we are looking into. It also includes crypto market strategies and updates, and it also includes, of course, articles and information that we come across that we think that you guys might find useful. So if that sounds interesting, hit that the second link down in the description below, guys. Get signed up if you haven't already. We get new members every single day. The community only continues to grow and expand, and I think you guys will really enjoy being a part of that overall community as well, guys. But either way, let's take a look here, guys. Hi, at Netflix, it's fun to see that you're already ordering a movie about the Bitfinex hack. So if you guys aren't familiar with what Gossip Shib is referring to there, the Bitfinex was or the hack rather that happened there. This is a big crypto exchange, obviously, and they were hacked. Basically, tons of funds were leaked out of the accounts. Of course, hackers stole a lot of different cryptocurrency, and in general was a pretty big deal. I guess Netflix now is going to be making a documentary of sorts about that specific hack. As you can see, Gossip Shib is basically kind of making a statement here saying, but hashtag Shib Army shook the crypto space in 2021 without any support from the billionaires. We are the underdog story in that this world needs. Call us, or better yet, call Satoshi Kasama. Now, we know about the Netflix partnership, guys, as something that a lot of people have talked about in the community, in the overall space. Satoshi himself has even acknowledged it, saying that he wants a Shib documentary by early next year. And again, if that were to actually come to fruition, if we were actually to see that play out, I think that could go very well for Shib. I totally agree that there is a lot to be said about this overall token in the community that it's created, and I think too that it's only a matter of time before we get these types of stories that need to be told, because I think Shiba Inu as a community in general, and the just overall epic adventure that it's been covering this coin, and just overall the highs and the lows and everything that this coin has done over the past couple of years, or not the past couple of years, the past year I should say, has been incredible. And I think a documentary is more than warranted at this point to be made about this token. What would be really cool, in fact, I think personally, is if we got a lot of the content creators, right? We get the community members, we do interviews with the community members and the holders, but what if we got interviews with, Zach and I, or with Zach Humphreys, or maybe with Austin Hilton, or some of these other bigger creators, right, who make Shiba Inu content, and we talk about Shiba Inu and of course report the news on it, because we were there, right? We were there through the thick and through the thin, reporting on this stuff on a day-to-day basis. So again, hopefully we get a Netflix partnership sooner rather than later. Who knows? knows, maybe you'll see us on the big screen, guys. I think that would be really cool. Let's talk about this though, guys. Here's how the community can burn 1 trillion Shib quickly. This is a Shib related business owner. Now we know about Stephen Cooper. If you don't know who Stephen Cooper is, guys, quick education. Stephen Cooper, of course, runs a company called Bigger Entertainment. Bigger Entertainment is basically a record label of sorts, and what they have been doing recently and pushing for recently are these massive Shib burn parties or massive Shib burn events. What they do basically here is create different types of products, whether it's merch, tickets to different concerts, different types of promotional products, whatever it might be. And what they do is they use the funds from some of those products, I believe it's a certain percentage of it, to burn Shiba Inu. For instance, Valentine's Day is a very good example of this. Valentine's Day will be coming up sooner rather than later. I believe it's tomorrow as the time of making this video. And of course, what they're doing there is selling merch for it. They're going to sell, those little kind of shirts, I believe, that they're making, and then they're going to take a certain percentage of those profits and use them to burn Shiba Inu. And I believe there's about 1 billion, I think, if I'm not mistaken, when the last time I checked, over 1 billion Shiba Inu are already pretty much locked in, ready to be burned, for that overall event, guys. So I'm very excited to see how that goes and what we are going to see come out of that overall event. Let me know in the comments below if you guys think that they're going to continue to burn these tokens at like the crazy rate that they are, because I think they are burning at a very sustainable and very substantial rate. I think this is something that's going to help the overall value of Shiba Inu in the long run. And I can't wait to see how that overall burn party plays out. Now, there's a little bit of a price analysis here. And again, I kind of read it before video just to make sure we have an understanding right. We know that obviously Shib has had a little bit of a loser moment, or what did they say? More of a loser at the moment than Doge at its decline account at about, 8.41%. However, that's not the case this morning. When you guys look at the overall chart and how we are moving, look at this beautiful pump towards the upside that we're witnessing right here. As you can see, we're up just about 9.60% on the overall day today, guys. And that's after crypto markets took kind of a slump at the beginning of this weekend, just the last couple of days. So this is good stuff, right? We're seeing good movement from Shiba Inu overall. And again, it's really good to see that Shiba Inu is now recovering back to its, previous levels that we were at before. Also, guys, if you haven't already, I really want to recommend that you guys pick up a free stock with the first link down in the description below. All you guys have to do is sign up and deposit at least $1 when you guys make a new account and use our promo code, and you guys could get a free stock that could be worth up to $300, guys. As you can see in this little video right there, again, that was what I got on live stream just the other day, where we basically did a live stream and I pulled one of those random stocks, and I got a $300 stock worth of Amazon. You guys could potentially get that too. We've had other members tell us that they have gotten a stock that was worth something like $70, $100, $200, $300 even. Why not try your hand and see what you get? Either way, it's free money, whether it's $3 to $5 to $300. Why not see what you guys get either way? Plus, Public is an amazing brokerage app to be a part of anyways. We love using it. We have a personal portfolio on there if you guys want to see, of course, what we're buying, what we're selling, and everything in between and stuff like that, guys. A lot of interesting stuff going on in the Shiba Inu community right now, guys. I'm very excited for the future of this token and where we are headed soon. Make sure to join the private Discord with that second link down in the description below. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.